Good morning, students. We are studying chapter 2 Microorganisms, Friend and Foe. Today we will study commercial use of microorganisms and medicinal use of microorganisms. Now we will see some commercial use of microorganisms. Microorganisms are used for the large-scale production of alcohol, wine and acetic acid. Acetic acid is also known as vinegar. Yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol and wine. For this purpose, yeast is grown and natural sugars present in grains like barley, wheat, rice and crushed fruit juices, etc. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. Now the process of fermentation can be well studied with the help of an activity. What you have to do, take a 500 ml beaker filled up to 3/4 with water. Dissolve 2-3 teaspoons of sugar in it. Add half a spoon of yeast powder to the sugar solution. Keep it covered in a warm place for 4 to 5 hours. Now smell the solution. Could you get a smell? Observation is you will get a smell of alcohol instead of sugar. This is the smell of alcohol as sugar has been converted into alcohol by the yeast. This process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. Microbes are widely used on commercial scale for the process of fermentation. Now our next topic is medicinal use of microorganism. Whenever you fall ill, the doctor may give you some antibiotic, tablets, capsules or injections such as of penicillin. The source of these medicine is microorganisms. These medicines kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganisms. Such medicines are called antibiotics. These days, a number of antibiotics are being produced from bacteria and fungi. Streptomycin, tetracycline and erythromycin are some of the commonly known antibiotics which are made from fungi and bacteria. The antibiotics are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms and are used to cure a variety of diseases. Antibiotics are even mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry to check microbial infection in animals. They are also used to control many plant diseases. So, antibiotics are the substances produced by microorganisms to cure infection. Antibiotics kill or stop the growth of the bacteria. Now, children, do you know how penicillin antibiotic was discovered? In 1920, Alexander Fleming was working on a culture of disease-causing bacteria. Suddenly, he found the spores of a little green mold in one of his culture places. He observed that the presence of mold prevented the growth of bacteria. In fact, it also killed many of these bacteria. From this, the mold penicillin was prepared. This is the way how penicillin antibiotic was invented. Do you know, children? Antibiotics should be taken only on the prescription of a qualified doctor. Because it is important to remember that antibiotics should be taken only on the advice of a qualified doctor. Also, you must finish the course prescribed by the doctor. If you take antibiotics when not needed or in wrong doses, it may make the drug less effective when you might need it in future. Also, antibiotics taken unnecessarily may kill the beneficial bacteria in the body. Antibiotics, however, are not effective against cold and flu as these are caused by viruses. So, you should not take antibiotics in the case of cold and flu because these are the diseases which are caused by viruses, not by bacteria. Antibiotics are the drugs which are used against bacteria. Antibiotics either kill the bacteria or stops the growth of bacteria in the body. So antibiotics are an important class of medicines which are used to treat infection caused by bacteria. Children, I hope you must have understood the topic. Thank you, children.